Yeah, in this video, we will see function for finding the maximum element from a linked list. So already we have a project on linked list, the same project I am continuing, and here I will write on a function for finding a maximum element. So as we have discussed on board, I will write down iterative version as well as recursive function. So first is iterative function. Let us call it as max, which takes a pointer to first node. Let the pointer name be p. So here I will take a variable for storing a maximum number. So the variable name is max, and I should initialize with some minimum integer, and our integer is 32-bit integer, so min int 32 min. So this is a built-in constant available in this compiler for C language, so I'm using that one. Depends on your compiler, you can take the value, otherwise you can set a minimum value like -32767 or -65535. The next is while p is not equal to null, we should continue. Every time check if p's data is greater than max. If so, we will modify max with p's data. So we'll store that data in max variable. And p should move to next element. So p assign p's next. That's all. By the end of this loop, we'll be getting a maximum element in a variable max. So we will return max. So this function I will call inside the main function, and directly I'll print its result. So max is percentile d and also /n, and here I will call a function max by passing pointer first, that is a pointer to a first node of a linked list. So already we have created this linked list with 8 elements. On the same linked list it will find out the maximum number. Here we have maximum number is 20. I'll try to change this one. I'll make it as 2. So now the largest number we have is 15. So we should get the answer 15. Let us run. Yes, we got the number as 15. If I change this to 25 and run it again, yes, maximum number is 25. Now similarly, you can implement a function for finding minimum by yourself. That's a student exercise. Now next, I will write on a recursive version for finding maximum element. So int, I will call it as rmax. It will take a structure node pointer p, and here I should have some variable of type integer which is initialized with a 0, and as per the code we have seen on board, so the same thing I am writing. If p is null, that is 0, I have return int 32 min. Otherwise we will call a function rmax by passing p's next, and whatever the value we receive, we compare and return the value. If x is greater than p's data, then return x, otherwise return p's data. That's all. This is the function already we have seen. I'll just give a line gap here. From here our function code starts, that is p is 0, then return minimum number. Otherwise call the function recursively and take the result in x, and if x is greater, return x, otherwise return p's data. So I will write it in next line. Now from here inside main function, I will call rmax function, then I should get the same result, that is 25. Let us run. Yes, we got the value 25. I'll try to modify this. This is 12, so I'll make it as 32. Let us run. I should get the answer as 32. Yes, I got the answer as 32. So that's all in this video. We have written different functions for finding a maximum, that is iterative version as well as recursive version.